everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm going to be using my Fender Telecaster. I'll be doing a song, it's an original song of mine, and it's done in the key of E. It have the traditional gospel progressions in it. It's nothing fancy. Y'all get your instruments and play along with me, and let's see what it does. And for everybody that has already subscribed to my channel, I thank you dearly. And those that haven't, please do. It'll help me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. But let's see what it does. Well, there y'all have it. Y'all let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, y'all be blessed.